another dorm haul, the sophomore season edition 2.0. Before we get into this video, let me go ahead and say this so you guys don't drag me in the comments like you did for my freshman dorm haul. Comforter, bedspread, bedding, whatever you want to call it. Comforter. Can you hear me? Comforter. Comforter. Bedspread. Bedding. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela M. If you guys haven't seen any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notifications button for more videos to come. College vlogs, hair tutorials, you name it. So without further ado, let's jump into this dorm haul. Alright guys, so for this year's dorm haul, I'm going to call this the sophomore season edition, dorm haul 2.0. And one thing I want to tell you guys, if you are a freshman, congratulations to entering the new phase of your life. I will say this, please make sure you're getting things that you want to use the next year. And what I mean by that is I am keeping the exact same thing from last year, which saved me a ton of money because all I had to do was just add on to what I already had. So I will say that make sure you really like your theme. And if you guys haven't seen my last video from my freshman year, my theme is gold, pink, glam. So the colors are gold, pink, white, and black. And last year I felt as if I had so much pink and gold items that I didn't really incorporate enough white and black. So I felt like my theme was just like slightly off, or you know, just not exactly how I wanted it to be. But this year all the new items that I bought had more black and white to really make sure that my whole theme just, you know, came together and meshed well. So without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the items that I bought this year. Starting with my bedspread, comforter, bedding. I am using the exact same comforter from last year. And the reason I'm doing that is because, I mean, that pretty much was like one of the most expensive items, so why not? I had it, you know, washed and everything, so it's good and ready to go. Make sure you guys always keep the bag that it came in. So convenient. Like, I already have some of my pillows in here, my mattress pad, all that stuff can fit in your bag. So it just makes it really easy when it comes to packing and getting ready for school. So keep that in mind. Okay, so next, after bedding, I wanted to show you guys this oversized message board. Look how huge it is. It is the perfect length and size to be a headboard for a twin XL bed. Now your bed in college, I'm pretty sure will be a twin XL. That just means twin extra long. And the reason I purchased this is because I didn't really get the headboard that I wanted last year. And a lot of the headboards that I would see online would be like anywhere from $70 and up. And I just wasn't willing to pay that much for it. I mean, I just felt like that was ridiculous. And then my mom was obsessed with Pinterest. So she came across some DIY projects of how to make a headboard. And she said a message board would do, or, you know, getting cardboard and fabric. But when I saw this, the beading design that's on here, the studs are gold, and it just really you know, mimicked an actual headboard, so that's why I got it. And I got this from Home Goods, and it was only $24.99. So that's another thing I want to mention to you guys. Everything that I'm about to show you in this video that I bought for this year was under $30. I think this was probably one of the most expensive items that I bought. So everything that I got was a bargain. That's why I said please make sure that you like your theme your freshman year, because all you have to do is just add on to it. So honestly, I just feel as if I probably only spent max $150 for this year. This year's, you know, adding on to stuff. That's it. Because I am the queen of coupon codes, but I'll get to that later at the end of the video. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this message board. I'm not going to be taking this to school with me, but I'm just going to show you guys a comparison of this against my headboard that I have. Okay, so you see how big this is? This is the size compared to it. So that's what I mean by, you know, the message board does have to be a little large for it to mimic a headboard. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys the pillows that I purchased. And this one is from Kirkland's, and it says sleep in. It has really cute eyelashes on it, and it's black and white. This is what I meant by, you know, incorporating more black and white into my color scheme. And this was $16.99, but we used the 25% off code that was in store at the moment, and I think it came up to like $12 or $13, something like that. But when I saw the eyelashes on it, I had to have it. Like, it was just so cute. And then the other pillow I have says, "You're like really pretty." Comment in the comment section below if you guys know where this phrase is from, what movie it's from. I got this from the store called At Home, formerly known as Garden Ridge, if you guys have heard of that. This pillow was only $9.99. So it was really cute. It has the gold little diamond design on it, and then, you know, the little phrase. So I got that. That's like the only two decorative pillows that I got, because I'm going to make some pillows using the same fabric as my bed skirt, but I'll show you guys that later in the video. Okay, now for the canvas art. I only got two new canvas art. As you can see, the ones that's in the background, those two, and then that really big black one that I had is the same from last year. So I didn't want to keep buying like a whole bunch. I just wanted to, again, add on. So I have this. Both of them are from TJ Maxx. This one I got says "But First Makeup." It's a little small canvas art. Looks like this, with the little makeup brushes on it, and it's, you know, all up in the color scheme, so it's perfect. And then I have this one that says "Lash Out," and this one was only $5.99, and I believe this one was $7.99. But check this out, the little eyelashes, so cute. I feel like these will be placed over my little makeup vanity desk, but I don't know. I just want, you know, some more canvas art. And I also purchased this cute little basket with like some gold little ruffle trimmings. It's black. This is how big it is. My mom made me purchase this because I get like so many packages, and this is just, you know, I already have packages in it now, but it would just be cute for storage. I got this from Burlington Coat Factory. Let's see if I still have the price on it. Yeah, this is only $11.99. So it's just cute for storage. Honestly, you probably could have used this as a dirty clothes hamper. Any one of those, you know, will do. But I just use this for storage this year, so I had to pick this up. First of all, it's just so cute right here, if you guys can see that. And yeah, this is my favorite part to share with you guys. This is my bed skirt for this year. This is the fabric that I bought. I'm not gonna unravel it because I don't feel like folding it back up, but I got this from Hobby Lobby. And when you go to Hobby Lobby and you want a bed skirt, if you guys remember seeing my dorm tour last year, what I use this for is the bed skirt that just literally flaps over and covers the dresser that's under the bed. Like if you have a twin XL bed and your bed is tall, the like standard dorm size bed, you're gonna want a bed skirt. And I say that because I feel like it's so tacky to just see everything that's under the bed. Like I would have my suitcases under the bed, I had bins, I just stored everything under the bed, you know what I mean? And it just looks neat if you have a bed skirt. So the bed skirt does not go all the way around. I always have my bed like against the wall, so it literally is just one panel, and that's what I mean by that. So when you go to Hobby Lobby, make sure you get 3.5 yards of fabric. I think this was like $7.99 a yard. Yeah, I only spent like $25 for this, and it's a lot of fabric. And this will also be the design that I put on my extra pillows that I'm gonna make to go with my bed. So it's gonna be matching my bed skirt. But the reason I chose this is because last year, if you guys saw my video, I had just gold polka dots, like no black, but I wanted to incorporate stripes because I just needed more black into my color scheme, so that's why. But yeah, this is my new bed skirt. I also wanted to show you guys this because I got this from Hobby Lobby as well. It's like really cute, like a little message, well, it's not really a message board, it's like a little cute picture frame clipboard. It was only $5.99, but yeah, it just incorporates the stripes, you know, really go hand in hand with my bed skirt that I just showed you guys, and it's cute, you know. And then this year my desk is gonna have a desk touch attached to it already, so I just figured, you know, I needed some little decorative pieces to put on my desk as well, so that's why I purchased this. Okay, moving on to bathroom. I got this really cute gold and white shower curtain from Burlington Coat Factory. It's BB, and it was only $11.99. I know you guys probably can't really see this, but it just says Hello Gorgeous on it. And then I have this humongous, and I do mean humongous, shower mat that is so cute. Like, honestly, I thought about this being my rug. It's just so cute. Like, look how it's huge. I just love it. I just love gold, you know, like anything that I saw in the store that was gold like automatically attracted me. I was just like, gotta have it. But yeah, this shower mat was only $12.99. So everything that I bought for the bathroom was pretty much under $30, honestly. So that's what I mean, just add on to what you already have and you'll save a ton of money. Okay, so I also have some new makeup brush holders. These are like pretty big, you know, jars that I got from Five and Below. So they were $5 each, and this one says Flawless on it with some cute eyelashes, and then this one says You're Like Really Pretty with the same phrase on the pillow that I showed you guys. Like I said, again, comment in the comment section below if you know where that phrase is from. But yeah, I had to get some more makeup jars because the one that I had last year was just not holding all my brushes. Like, I just keep getting more and more makeup brushes, so I had to get some more, and these just matched perfectly. They're so cute. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this rug that I also purchased. This is how it looks. It is so soft and I absolutely love it. It's light pink, and I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I used the 20% off coupon code that they was having, and it was, I believe, like $20. So after the code it was like $17. But for the most part, that is such a great price for this size rug. And usually rugs run you anywhere from $30 to $50, you guys. So that's why I say I was really, you know, finding deals and coupon codes to just, you know, save as much money as possible. I honestly thought about going back to buy another one just to make this, you know, bigger, which I might do when I get, you know, down there. But other than that, I really love this rug. So make sure you guys check out Bed Bath & Beyond because they have so many cute items. And last but not least, you guys, this over-the-door mirror is so cute. When I saw it, I absolutely had to have it. And check this out. Check this out. Got it from Marshall's, only $16.99. And it comes with the tools already in it. It's like somewhere up here, like the little hook to put over the door. But other than that, let's just check out this detailing. Like, all the outfits that you guys are about to see me on Snapchat with this year, killer in this mirror, because this mirror is everything. Like, look how long and tall it is, you guys. This is probably my favorite purchase for this year. Like, I just can't even believe I found it. It was like the last one that was in the color white, because the other one was like gray, I think. And I almost couldn't even like leave the store without it, because my car is like a four-door car. It's not a truck. I was just trying to figure out how to put this in the car. Then I figured out that my car can like let the seats down in the back. And when I figured that out, y'all, it was over with. Alright guys, I know you will not believe me when I say this, but that's literally it. Like, that's all I got for my dorm this year. Like, I'm done. Like, no, honestly, I'd probably take that back, because I know when I get down there I'm probably gonna like add on to it or buy something else, but you guys will end up seeing it in my dorm tour. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Like, everything in this video, like I said, under $30. Well, each item was under $30. And the real tip that I can give you guys is, like I said, keep the same thing, add on to it. Make sure you guys get the app called Retail Me Not and Unidays. I'm going to come out with a separate video of like all the apps that I use as far as like getting coupon codes, but those are the main two: Retail Me Not and Unidays. Every store you go to will have some sort of like coupon code or deal going on, because like I said, every single item under $30, and the reason why half of them was under $30 is because I had a coupon code. Also, make sure you guys go every other weekend when you find things, because I just feel as if you can't get all your dorm items in one weekend, because you're just not going to get all the cute stuff. That's just not how it works. You have to go every other few days, you know, go every other weekend, go every weekend, and just get little items little by little. Do not try to get everything in one day, because you have to go to different stores. Don't sleep on certain stores. Don't sleep on TJ Maxx. Don't sleep on Ross. Don't sleep on Home Goods, because that's where some of the gems are. Like, I would get 1 item from TJ Maxx, 2 from Bed Bath & Beyond, 3 from Home Goods, you know, stuff like that. They really do have cute items that will go with your dorm, that you'll like, you know, little statement pieces. But other than that, that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about all the new items that I got, and I cannot wait for move-in day, because I'm going to vlog that, y'all. And this is just for my bedroom, because this year I'm staying in on the like on-campus style apartments. We have a kitchen and a living room now, and we're going to decorate that. Like, just wait on it. So hit that subscribe button, turn on my notifications, so you guys will be ready for all of those videos, and I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.